If the YouTube algorithm is not recommending your videos or your channels, then you need to do this as soon as possible. Yes, I've tried this out on several channels. It actually worked wonders, and in today's video I'll be showing you the exact thing you need to do so that the YouTube algorithm will start recommending your videos or your channel to the right audience. Yes, you heard me right. Let's go to this search I just did. As you can see, I asked a question: what does it mean to add YouTube channel keywords? And here is an answer that was provided. It says adding YouTube channel keyword means including specific word and phrases in your channel settings that describe your content and target audience. These keywords help YouTube's algorithm. Can you see that? These keywords helps YouTube's algorithm understand your channel's focus, which in turn can improve its visibility in search results and recommendations. So if you put this into practice, your search results and YouTube suggestions and recommendations will be highly improved. So let me show you what you'll be doing. So once you're on your YouTube channel interface, so for those of us using the YouTube app on our mobile phones, first of all, you need to uninstall the YouTube Studio app from your phone, or you need to freeze it so that you'll be able to get this, because you will not be getting it using the app. So once you do that, the next thing you need to do is to go to Chrome, search for YouTube Studio. Yes, you search for YouTube Studio on Chrome. Once you search for YouTube Studio, then you open this up. Then if your channel is not logged in, ensure you log into your channel. Once you do that, it brings you up to this interface. So the next thing you need to do, guys, is to come down to this section that says settings. So once you open up this settings interface, then you go to what we call the channel. Once you head to channel, as you can see, we have basic information, and under the basic information we have the country of residence and what keywords. So on these keywords, as you can see, I have added some particular keywords on my channel. And remember, I change my channel keywords from time to time. I can add and I can reduce. As you can see, I already have some, and if I want to add others to my channel, I could add just like so. Can you see? This is how you add keywords to your channel, and you could follow this. You could add so many keywords, as much as you want, up to about 500 characters. So once you are able to add the keywords of your channel or the niche of your channel or things you do on your channel, you click on save. Once you click on save, this in turn help the YouTube algorithm to understand what your channel is all about and the type of content you create, and they tend to push this content or your channel to people of like interest, that is your target audience. So once this happens, the impression will change. Once the impression changes, the click-through rate will be high, because the people viewing that video will be of like interest. The click-through will be high. This in turn will bring viewers into your channel, and these viewers can turn into loyal subscribers. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go try this out and see how it works magic. So we've come to the end of this video for today, and don't forget, I'll be giving you tips and strategies on how to grow a successful YouTube channel. If you like this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I create an interesting video just like so. I still remain your virtual assistant Gideon, and see you in my next video.